Good morning. Ginette Boudreau here from Health Promotion. Anybody there? So this morning, I don't know if you're there, if it's working. I think it is. But anyways, I'm going to start. This morning, I'm going to talk to you about, or show you, give you a demonstration on how to make your own sports drinks. We know that sports drinks can be expensive and are often filled with no nutrients. So your sports drinks, like your Powerade, your Gatorade, and stuff like that, they're made scientifically so that fluids and carbohydrates can enter the bloodstream quickly and that the body absorbs it so you can keep going to rehydrate. But in the essence, it's fluid and sugar that's going into your bloodstream. With a homemade sports drink, you're going to get the same thing, but you'll get the added nutrients, the vitamins and the minerals. So let's get started. I have two different recipes here. Hi, Abby. Thank you. I have two different recipes here. So one has a more fructose than the other. So if the amount of sugar that is in your drink will make a difference depending on what you're doing for training. So glucose in a sports drink is absorbed more quickly than fructose. Fructose is the sugar found in your fruit. Okay? Table sugar is made up of sucrose and has both glucose and fructose in it. Okay? Fructose reaches your bloodstream more slowly. Okay? And like I mentioned, fructose is the sugar found in the fruit. Your liver must convert it to glucose before it can be used for energy. So fructose is often used to sweeten your soft drinks and your fruit drinks. Too much fructose can cause cramping, okay, and discomfort. Okay? So if that's the case, if you're planning on exercising for 2 to 3 to 6+ hours, then this sports drink B may be the better option for you, and you'll see why. Okay? So if you're exercising for long periods of time, too much sugar could cause discomfort and cramps. Okay? So just know that. So your sports drink A has 100% juice. It can be whatever juice you want, 100%. As long as it's 100%. You don't want a punch. You don't want, okay? So it's got to say 100% juice. You don't want something that says fruit punch, something like that. Added sugar and stuff like that. The punches are typically higher in sugar. So you want the 100% juice. I chose orange juice today. So it's asking for 2 cups of orange juice, So this is my thing. I'm going to measure 2 cups. This is Graves orange juice. Each recipe makes about 1 liter. Okay, 4 cups. So we got 2 cups here. I'm going to pour it into my thing. So a lot of fructose in this one. You get your 2 cups. And then I have 2 cups of water. So I'm just going to turn around here. I'm going to measure 2 cups of water. Okay, we got 2 cups of water. And then we need a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So the salt is to replenish your sweat after you've been working out for a long period of time. So that's sugar. We're not going to put the sugar. We're going to put the salt. Okay, so I got a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Boop. There you go. And that is, my friends, sports drink A. All right. We'll do a taste test in a minute. Maybe I'll bring the girls up to see if they like them. Okay, now, sports drink B. I'm going to use this container. I don't have another see-through one, so I apologize. So sports drink B has less fructose. I'm going to put these recipes online after so you can see it, okay, with all the information that you need. So it has 1/4 of a cup of fruit juice. So the first recipe had 2 cups. This is calling for 1/4 of a cup. So you can see the difference. 1/4 of a cup of 100% juice of your choice. 3 3/4 cups of water. So you can see that this one has a lot more water. I'm going to measure the water in here. Three 3/4 cups of water. Then we need 4 tablespoons of sugar. So I got my tablespoon. This is my sugar. So 4 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then another 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So the sugar is to kind of just add the flavor. The salt adds flavor too, but the main reason for the salt is to replenish the sweat loss. And that's what we have. 2 homemade different sports drinks. One with more fructose than the other. Okay? So if you're planning on exercising for long periods of time, let's say 6 hours, you're doing an ultra marathon, a 9 mega min, okay? Option B would probably be your better choice. There's less fructose, which there's a less chance of you cramping and finding discomfort. So let me grab a glass of water. Sports drink A. Not bad. A little salty. You can taste the salt in it. Okay, drinkable. If you like the taste of Gatorade and stuff like that, you may find it a little bit different. But if you're not one to like your commercial sports drinks, this would be a good option. It's a healthier option as well. So you can see the color difference between the two, right? So this one's got less fructose. This is your B. Interesting. I would think that this one has more sugar in it, but it doesn't. It's only got 1/4 cup of juice and 3 3/4 cups of water with 4 tablespoons of sugar. But it tastes sweeter. Yeah. Interesting. So there you have it. Put some ice in there. Bring it with you. Put it in a jug. Carry it out in the woods. Go where when you're going for your long runs. You're training for 9 mega min. You're sporting competitions. Any of it, right? You're saving money. You're adding nutrients. If you're looking at managing your weight, then water may be the best choice of fluid, especially under an hour of exercise. But yeah. Thank you for tuning in. That was my quick demonstration. Please feel free to send me any questions, anything that you want to ask. If I don't know the answer, I will reach out to our SMEs, our subject matter experts out in the Ottawa. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you get a chance to try these sports drinks. The water's getting warm and the weather's getting hot. Enjoy the rest of your day. Take care.